In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create professional CV visuals using Artistly AI. First, log into your Artistly AI account and go to the Create Design or Image Generation tab. Now, think about the type of CV visual you want to create. This can include a modern resume header, a professional profile banner, or even an infographic-style CV layout. Next, enter a detailed prompt that describes the style and purpose clearly. Here's a sample prompt you can use. A modern professional CV profile design, clean minimal layout, business executive headshot style, corporate background, soft lighting, high resolution, LinkedIn profile banner, professional branding aesthetic. After that, choose the appropriate style settings and set the aspect ratio. Square or horizontal works best, depending on whether it's for a resume, LinkedIn banner, or portfolio. Once everything is ready, click Generate and let Artistly create your professional CV visual. You can then refine the design by adjusting colors, style, or background until it matches your personal branding. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.